Algebra, Unit 1, Relation and Function. Example: if set x 1, 3, 4, and 5, set y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and R is relation from x to y, where ARP means A plus B equals 7 for each of A belongs to x, B belongs to y. Write R and represent it by an arrow diagram and also by a Cartesian diagram. Solution: R equals set of ordered pairs 1 and 6, because 1 plus 6 equals 7, and 1 belongs to x and 6 belongs to y. 3 and 4, 4 and 3, 5 and 2. We can represent it by arrow diagram and also by a Cartesian diagram. Remarks: relation from x to y such that each element of x appears only once as first projection is called function. F from x to y: number 1, x is called domain, y is called codomain. Number 3, range is the image of x in y. Then this relation is a function because each element of set x has only one image in set y. Its range is the set of images in y equals set 2, 3, 4, and 6. Another example: if x equals 1, 2, and 3, y equals 1 half, third, and 1 over 5, and R is a relation from x to y, where ARB means the number A is the multiplicative inverse of the number B. For each A belongs to x, B belongs to y. Write R and represent it by an arrow diagram and also by a Cartesian diagram. Solution: R equals the multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1, 1 and 1. The multiplicative inverse of 2 is half. The multiplicative inverse of 3 is third. We can represent it by an arrow diagram and also by Cartesian diagram. Is R a function? Why? If yes, state its range. R is a function because each element of x has only one image in y, and its range is set 1, half, and third. Example: if set x equals -2, -1, 1, and 2, set y 1 over 8, third, 1, 3, and 8, and R is a relation from x to y, where ARB means A to the power 3 equals B. For each A belongs to x, B belongs to y. Write R and represent it by an arrow diagram and also by a Cartesian diagram. Solution: R equals 1 and 1, 2 and 8, because 1 power 3 equals 1 and 2 to the power 3 equals 8. We can represent it by arrow diagram and also by a Cartesian diagram. Is R a function? No. Why? Because each element in x hasn't only one image in y. no range in this case. Important remarks. Number 1, A is an additive inverse of B, then A equals negative B. 2, A is a multiplicative inverse of B, then A equals 1 over B. 3, A is a factor of B, then make B divided by A. 4, A is a multiple of B or divisible by B, then A divided by B.